I welcome you all to this another important episode in which we all will go through the clinical approach to the healthcare conversations by the chat GPT. So this will be the outline of our talk today. And again, I welcome you all to our presentation. And we will try to discuss how incorporating the clinical knowledge and guidelines can lead to better patient outcomes and improve the overall quality of care. As healthcare professionals, we know that staying up to date with the latest research and best practices is crucial to providing the best possible care for our patients. That's why it is so important to incorporate clinical knowledge and guidelines into ChatGPT, a technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we deliver healthcare. Throughout this presentation, we will explore what ChatGPT is, why clinical knowledge is important in ChatGPT, and how we can overcome the challenges of incorporating guidelines into this technology. By the end of the talk, I hope you all will be able to understand the importance of incorporating clinical knowledge and guidelines into the ChatGPT and be motivated to take action to make it happen. So, we all have already spoken about it that indeed ChatGPT is a state of the art conversational AI system which tends to use the deep machine learning to generate a human like response to text based communication. It is designed to understand the natural languages and provide accurate, context aware responses to questions and requests. In healthcare, ChatGPT can be used to assist patients with a wide range of needs, from answering simple questions about medication and appointments to providing personalized treatment recommendations based on a patient's medical history and symptoms. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, healthcare providers can improve the patient outcomes, reduce costs, and enhance the overall quality of care. Clinical knowledge is essential even for ChatGPT as it allows the system to understand and interpret the medical information more accurately. With access to the clinical knowledge, it can provide personalized recommendations and treatment plans for the patients based on their specific needs. Furthermore, incorporating clinical knowledge into ChatGPT can improve patient outcomes by reducing the errors and improving the accuracy of diagnosis. For example, a study found that an artificial intelligence system incorporating clinical knowledge was able to outperform even human doctors in diagnosing skin cancer. So, the guidelines we all understand it plays a crucial role in ensuring that ChatGPT will provide the best possible care to the patients, as they are developed by some of the best minds in the field who review the latest research and clinical evidence to provide recommendations for appropriate care. These guidelines can cover a wide range of topics from specific medical conditions to general health and wellness. Incorporating guidelines into ChatGPT can be challenging, but it is essential to provide high quality care. One approach is to use natural language processing algorithms to analyze patient data and match it with relevant guidelines. This can ensure that patients receive personalized care that is based on the latest evidence based recommendations. And one of the biggest challenge in incorporating clinical knowledge and the guidelines is to ensure that not only the information is accurate but also up to date. Moreover, with new research and discoveries being made all the time, it can be difficult to keep pace with the latest developments. Additionally, there may be conflicting information or differing opinions about healthcare professionals, which can make it challenging to determine the best course of action. Another challenge is ensuring that the ChatGPT system is able to effectively incorporate the guidelines and clinical knowledge. This requires a thorough understanding of how the system works and what kind of information it is capable of handling. It also requires a significant amount of time and resource to develop and finally implement the necessary changes. To conclude, incorporating clinical knowledge and guidelines for the ChatGPT in healthcare is crucial to ensure patients receive the best possible care. And by leveraging the power of ChatGPT and incorporating clinical knowledge and guidelines, we can improve patient outcomes and provide more personalized care. However, there are challenges in implementing this approach, such as the need for extensive data collection and analysis, as well as ensuring that the ChatGPT is able to understand and interpret the clinical language accurately. Despite these challenges, the benefits of incorporating clinical knowledge and guidelines are significant and cannot be ignored. Thank you again for your hearing. And if there are any queries, kindly feel free to send me messages. I'll be more than happy to answer them and hope to see you soon in another session.